Elon Musk wants to build a factory on the moon. China just dropped an open source model that beats Google. And Anthropic says its own AI is getting a little too good at sabotage. I'm Etienne Newman, and this is your AI Unraveled flash briefing for Thursday, February 12th, 2026. Elon Musk has a new plan for xAI, and it is ambitious even for him. Following the merger with SpaceX, Musk told employees he wants to build a manufacturing facility on the moon. The goal? Use lunar resources to build AI satellites and shoot them into deep space using an electromagnetic mass driver. On Earth, the AI race is tightening. China's Zhipu AI released GLM-5, a new open-source model that outperforms Google's Gemini 3 Pro and Grok 4. It runs on domestic Huawei chips and is free to download. The gap between East and West is closing fast. But with power comes risk. Anthropic released a report admitting that Claude Opus 4.6 has an elevated susceptibility to assist with heinous crimes, including chemical weapon development. That brings us to a critical question. How do you manage these risky, powerful models in your own company? This episode is brought to you by AIRIA. If your employees are using AI without IT knowing, you have a shadow AI problem. AIRIA is the control plane that lets you secure and orchestrate your entire AI stack so you can innovate without the risk. Check the link in the show notes. In today's full episode, we deep dive into the Sabotage risk report and Musk's lunar ambitions. Click the link to listen now.